Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a place to be. Please subscribe to this channel and also do not forget to give me thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything in this channel. To my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for sticking to this channel. Yeah, for the past 1 week, I've been having serious cough. As a result, even my throat, that's my voice, was completely blocked. So those of you that called me during that period, you will testify to that my voice was completely changed. I could not even say anything that you can hear. But I have to use lemon. Lemon came to my rescue. This is lemon, okay? You can see it. This is lemon. So what I did was to cut little lemon like this, put it, just soak it in a boiled water, okay? Soak it in a boiled water, allow it to stay for about 5-10 minutes, okay? Then after that, I'll just drink it like tea. Yes, I've made several videos on cough, even using the leaf of life for cough. I just wanted to show you this so that if you cannot get leaf of life, you have option. You can use lemon. Lemon has done it. Lemon came to my rescue. So this is it. Now you can hear me. So it's easy. You can do it everywhere. So lemon is actually common. You can see it around you. So get lemon today. If you are having cough, maybe as a result of dust and your throat is completely blocked, try lemon. You will see the wonder of nature. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.